It's time to take control of your finances. And a big part of doing that is knowing how much money you're spending and earning every month. In this video, I'm going to tell you about my app of choice for tracking my personal and business finances. Hey beautiful people, I'm the Quaint Boss and this is The Quaint Pursuit. Shout out to Glam Magica for leaving this comment on my last video. Thanks to her, today we're going to be talking about tracking your business and personal finances. I've been using this app since 2018 and I've never used another app for tracking my income and expenses ever since. The app I'm talking about, which I use religiously, is called Spending Tracker. It's available on both Android and iPhone and it's pretty easy to use. When you get to the home screen, it displays three things: your income, your expense, and your balance. The income is represented by green, the expenses are represented by red, and the balance is represented by blue. The income is what you make every month. That's the money that's coming in to your wallet, into your purse, into your bank. And then the expense is what you're putting out there. So that's what you're using to pay bills, to pay rent, to pay for travel, food, gas. Your balance is your income minus your expenses. Let's say you spent $3,000 on gas today. You click on expense, enter the date, enter the amount that you spent, select the category gas. If that's not already there, then you do have the option to type in gas in the search bar and select that as a new option. And you also have the option to add a note. In the notes, you would say gas from Chevron, something that's really specific that breaks it down, because gas is pretty vague. You could have gotten gas from a Shell gas station, a Total gas station, a Chevron gas station, but when you put it in the notes that you got it from Chevron, it makes it more specific. So let's say, for example, you did a freelance job through Fiverr. You're gonna click the button on the right hand side of the bottom of the screen that says income, enter the date, the amount, put freelance as your category, and in the notes you could put thumbnail creation for a YouTuber from Fiverr. Once you've started entering expenses and you have enough there to show some solid data, you can get to see whether you're earning more than you're spending or if you're spending more than you're earning. And if you're spending more than you're earning, then of course you need to make some adjustments, because that means that you're not within your budget. If you're trying to take control of your personal finances, then it's better to be earning more than you're spending. So a cool trick about the Spending Tracker app is that you can actually rotate your phone and it will show you a bar chart of all the money that you've been spending for the month. You can also choose to see that in the form of a pie chart. If I'm spending too much money on food for the month, then I can say, okay, I need to cut back on that, or I need to make more money. So you see where it comes in handy. It keeps you aware of what's going on in your wallet and in your purse. That's what you call financial awareness. Some examples of categories that you could create for your expense section would be gas, travel, utilities, rent. For your income section, freelance work, salary from job, e-commerce website, sales from pop-up shops. You can get creative and pretty much add just about any category that you want once you understand what it's all about when you're going back to look at your data. But now we're going to talk about the settings tab. In the settings tab, you are able to change the time period from daily to weekly to monthly to yearly. If you set a target of $1,000, you want to know that, okay, I have met my target of $250 in this week, because you break down that 1,000 into 4 weeks. That would be $250 you have to be earning every week. So that would be a good way to keep track. If I see that my earnings are increasing, then I can say, okay, I'm doing something right. But if I realize my earnings for the year is decreasing, then I have to go back to the drawing board and see what I'm not doing right. Really hope that this is making sense. If it is, smash that like button. You can also change the currency. So if you earn US dollars, you can change your currency to US dollars. If you earn British pounds, you can change your currency to British pounds. If you're concerned that you won't remember every single day to go enter all the money that you spent and all the money that you earned, then in the settings you are able to choose that you want to be reminded at a specific time every day to update the app. There's also a pro version. If you were to make a one-time purchase of $2.99, you'll be able to access a bunch of features that you don't really get with the free version. And these features include repeating transactions. So if you know that every month you spend the same amount of money on rent, on utilities, on gas, you can plug that into the app. Kind of saves time right here. It also allows you to export PDFs and CSV files if you have to present this information to your accountant for the purpose of taxes, or if you're trying to prove what your monthly income and expenses are for a scholarship, for a grant, for a loan. And that's only available if you pay that one-time purchase fee of $2.99. It's not something that you'll be paying on a monthly basis like most apps, and I really love that. You can also get to backup and restore your data. If your phone gets lost or stolen or something happens, you don't have to worry about losing your data. Whether you're a business owner or you work for a company, this app can be really useful because we all need to have financial literacy. We all need to know how much money we're earning and how much money we're spending. And if we don't know these things, it's harder to attain financial freedom. Take control of your finances and download the Spending Tracker app today. You can find it in the Google Play Store and in the Apple App Store. And let me know how it works out for you. Give this video a big fat thumbs up. Share it with someone it would be helpful to. And don't forget to subscribe to The Queen Pursuit. If you don't want to miss my videos, turn on your notifications. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Leave some money bag emojis down below and I will pick 3 random people to give a shout out in my next video.